Today I am here to take class on trigonometry. First of all, let me say what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is derived from two words, that is trignon and metron. Trignon means triangle and metron means measurement. So basically, trigonometry is the science of measuring triangles. Science of measuring triangles. Before moving on to trigonometry concept, let me first introduce what are angles. So for that, let us consider a ray OA and it is rotated about its endpoint O and takes a position OB. Therefore, it generates an angle AOB. Let this angle AOB be theta. And here, OA is the initial side and OB is the terminal side and endpoint O is the vertex of the angle. Now, let's see. The measure of an angle is the amount of rotation from initial side to terminal side. That is, from initial side to terminal side when it is rotated, the value obtained here is the measure of the angle. Now, let's see what are trigonometric ratios. The most important task of trigonometry is to find the remaining sides and the angles of a triangle when sum of its sides and angles are given. So, this problem is solved by using some ratios of side of a triangle with respect to its acute angles. These ratios of acute angles are called the trigonometric ratios of angles. Now, trigonometric ratios, that is, trigonometric ratios are ratios of acute angle. Now, let me introduce the 6 trigonometric ratios. The 6 trigonometric ratios are: first one sine, then cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and the last one cotangent. Consider an acute angle. Let this be y, a, and x, and this angle be the acute angle theta. Consider a point P on AY and draw a perpendicular to AX and let this point be M. And thus here we obtain a right angle triangle APM with angle PAM is equal to theta. And now let us consider triangle PAM. Consider triangle PAM. Let me define the 6 trigonometric ratios. The first one is sine, that is sine of angle theta, and this is represented as sine theta. Sine theta is actually the opposite side by the hypotenuse, ratio of opposite side by the hypotenuse. That is, here it is PM by AP. That is ratio of opposite side to that of hypotenuse. Now, the second function, that is cosine of angle theta, and this is represented as cos theta. And cos theta is the ratio of adjacent angle and the hypotenuse. That is, here the adjacent angle to the angle theta is AM and the hypotenuse is AP. Therefore, cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. Now the third one is the tangent of angle theta. And this is represented as tan theta. And tan theta is the ratio of opposite side to the adjacent side. That is, here the opposite side of the angle is PM and the adjacent side is AM. Therefore, it is the ratio of PM to that of AM. That is opposite side by adjacent sides. Now the rest three are cosecant, secant and cotangent. And it's very simple because cosecant, secant and cotangent are the reciprocal of sine, cosine and tangent respectively. Now let's see. Fourth one. Cosecant of angle theta, and is represented by cosec theta. As I said earlier, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So it's going to come as AP by PM. And from the figure, AP is the hypotenuse and PM is the opposite side. Therefore, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, that is hypotenuse by opposite side. You can see that sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse and cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. This is one of the relation in trigonometric functions. Now, the fifth one, that is secant of angle theta, and it is represented as sec theta. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. We know that cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AM by PA. But here, sec theta being reciprocal of cos theta, it comes out as AP by AM. That is hypotenuse by AP by AM, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent sides. Now the sixth one, that is the last one, the cotangent of angle theta, and it is represented as cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, and tan theta is actually opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, cot theta comes out as adjacent side by opposite side. Here the adjacent side is AM and the opposite side is PM. That is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. We have a theorem that is trigonometric ratio are same for same angle. That is, if this is our previously drawn figure, y, x, a, p, m and theta, and this is our previously drawn figure. Let us take sine theta. Sine theta is equal to pm by pm by ap. And if a position of p changes to b and position of m changes to c, and if we draw perpendicular here, for triangle ABC, sine theta comes out as BC by AB. But the sine theta for both the cases will be same. That is, trigonometric ratios are same for same angle. Trigonometric ratios are same for same angles. This is a theorem. From the definition, we have seen that there is a relation between sine and cosec, cos and secant, and tan and cot. That is, sine is a reciprocal of cosec, and cos is a reciprocal of secant, and cot is a reciprocal of tan. And this is the relation between trigonometric ratio. The first one, sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Now second one, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Third one, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Now this is the relation between sine and cosec, cos and sec, cot and tan. There is a relation between sine, cos and tan. Now let's see what is the relation that connects sine, cos and tan. And from the figure we can write sine theta is equal to Pm by AP and cos theta is equal to AM by AP and tan theta is equal to Pm by AM. Considering sine and cos, if we divide them, that is, if we divide sine theta and cos theta, we get Pm by AP divided by AM by AP. AP gets cancelled, therefore Pm by AM. And Pm by AM is actually tan theta, therefore it's equal to tan theta. And here comes the fourth relation, that is sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now we have got four relations between the trigonometric ratio. The first one is sin theta equal to cosec theta, cos theta equal to in reciprocal of sec theta, and cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. And the fourth one is tan theta is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. As tan theta is equal to sin by cos, we can find cot theta. As cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, 1 by tan theta comes as 1 by sin theta by cos theta, and this is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. And the sixth relation, if we multiply cot theta and tan theta, it comes out to be 1. Here are the six relations. First one, sin theta reciprocal of cosec theta, or similarly cosec theta reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta reciprocal of sec theta, similarly sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, and similarly tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta. Then tan theta is actually the ratio of sin theta and cos theta.